If you've been following my channel, you realize that I'm on a journey of getting back into shape. In an effort to getting back into shape, I've been performing outdoor activities. In a recent video shoot, I realized a gust of wind came through. However, it wasn't until I arrived back to the studio to start editing when I discovered a gust of wind being recorded in my video. I immediately started searching for answers to prevent this from happening in the future. If this has happened to you, stay tuned. I have a solution for you. Welcome to Tech Unboxing Videos. I'm Gil Davis, and if this is your first time joining us, we are a YouTube channel that unveils and unboxes all things tech and sometimes beyond. If you're a returning viewer, thank you and welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing a VideoMicro by RODE. With that said, let's dive right in and start the unboxing process. Yay! Let's get into the unboxing. Yeah, we're about to start unboxing. All right. Remember, this is the VideoMicro by RODE microphone. Let's just open it up. Let's just get it all out. Why not? All right. So I have everything laid out here. I will walk through a few things for you. So this VideoMicro by RODE has a 2-year warranty. There's no battery required. So this microphone cord right here, you take this microphone cord and you plug it into the microphone jack of the camera. Then you also place the other end of the cord into the microphone, and I'll demonstrate that for you in just a moment. So the microphone is a compact size. You can pull it out and you can also push it back in. And you have a suspension mount included. So this suspension mount right here, it has a rubber feel to it. And so the benefit and the value of this suspension mount is to prevent any potential impacts showing up in your video. So again, if you bump your camera or if you ding your camera on something, this suspension mount, because it has that rubber technology, it's gonna prevent any potential noise for showing up in your video. So it's gonna absorb that impact. All right, so let's walk through everything. Let's talk about what we have. Let's see what this is. So this is a registration card for the VideoMicro by RODE. And again, this is your suspension mount. I will demonstrate how that works in just a moment. So this is your microphone. This is the bottom of the microphone. And you see on the bottom end, that's where you plug in your the microphone cord. And the microphone is in here. And so this is called a RODE Deadcat. So the benefit and the value of having one of these is that if you're outdoors and there's wind or possible wind, this will avoid any of the wind from showing up in your video. So again, this is a RODE Deadcat. And I will demonstrate how it works. So you take the RODE Deadcat with the microphone hanging out. You take your suspension mount. Place the suspension mount right here, and it fits in a snug fit, and it clamps and it clicks, and then that's it. That's what you have right here. So this piece right here, if you look right there, that piece goes on top of your camera, and you screw it into the camera. Once it screws into the camera, you're good, and it hangs off the front of your camera. Then you can go out and start recording anything outdoors. And then I'll take this. I'll take the cord and show you how the cord works. So again, here's your microphone cord. You place it into the microphone jack. This other end of the microphone cord, it goes into the microphone jack of your video camera. All right. So with that said, let me read some of the things on the back for you. So it says VideoMicro is a compact microphone designed to improve the audio quality of your videos. It incorporates a high-quality Cardioid condenser microphone capsule for great quality audio recordings when used with a wide range of cameras. And I've already read this, but I'll repeat it again. It's a compact on-camera microphone. It has a 2-year warranty. No battery required. Again, the benefit of having this microphone cord is that the moment that you plug it into the microphone jack of your camera, it automatically syncs up, so you don't have to worry about whether or not it's on or not if you're worried about batteries. And then it is compact in size. And then it has a suspension mount. Remember, this suspension mount is what prevents any dings or bangs from showing up in your video when you're recording. Other than that, remember, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and smack that bell notification. Until next time, see ya!